Hello, my name is Alsion Wilson, and I'm the Consul General for Jamaica in New York. Today, on behalf of the Jamaican in the diaspora in the Northeast, I extend a heartfelt congratulations to our outstanding winners of the Best Jamaica Awards 2024. For 25 years, the Best Jamaica prestigious platform has celebrated Jamaicans' outstanding culinary, cultural, business, entertainment, and sports achievements. They have proudly celebrated excellence, innovation, and the resilience of individuals that embody the true Jamaican spirit. And this year, the objective remains the same, but with an in person celebration. Our champions from the Northeast, your achievements not only exemplified vibrant talent and creativity within our diaspora, but it also serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for our next generation of Jamaicans. Indeed, your accomplishments represent the very best Jamaica has: our rich heritage, dynamic culture, our unwavering commitment to excellence. With that said, may your continued success inspire our fellow Jamaicans at home and abroad to reach new heights and showcase the enduring brilliance of Jamaica to the world. Congratulations to all, and one love.